potent actives which delivers exactly what the skin needs. Okay, so our top choice, of course, the exosome. So the exosome name is X50. So the main active ingredients of it is polynucleotide, an innovative treatment made of natural compound that improves and give a lasting efficacy of skin regeneration. Our bestseller for repair and brightening serums, the Platina brand. Actually, I have heard that the Buildec training company, training center, is using the red cell, and actually they are now promoting the exosome here in Davao. So the Platina brand is a highly concentrated ampoule rich in extract, and it has a very high efficacy, especially the red cell. And then lastly, of course, our aftercare solution, Queen the Seldom collection. So these are the best sellers in here actually is the Wonder Cream. So Wonder Cream is a repair. So it's a repair cream and the PDRN mask sheet. So this is very necessary for fast healing. So after po kayo mag-microneedling or laser or mesotherapy, this is really a good brand para po mag-heal at saka ma-rejuvenate po yung skin very fast. Okay? So the next slide is, so I want to show you how